Is Google Chrome constantly signing you out of websites? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Clear cookies and cache. Open Chrome, click the three dots, Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Clear Data. This removes corrupted data causing sign-out issues. Step 2. Check Chrome Sync Settings.
And click the three dots, Settings.
Manage your Google account, Sync and Google Services. Make sure Sync is turned on and working properly. Sign back in if needed. Step 3. Disable extensions. Type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Turn off extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools that may delete cookies. Reload Chrome and log in to check if it works. Step 4. Reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, Advanced, Reset and Cleanup. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. This fixes misconfigured settings causing signouts without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Step 5. Update Chrome. Click the three dots, Help, About Google Chrome. If an update is available, download it and click Relaunch. That's it. Chrome should now keep you signed in and run smoothly. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.